In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add hyperlinks in Google Docs, whether you're linking to a website, an email address, or a section within your document. If this helps you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Google Docs tips. To begin, highlight the text you want to turn into a link. Then click the Insert Link icon in the toolbar, or right-click and select Insert Link. Now paste or type the web address, like a website or video link, and click Apply. The selected text becomes a clickable link. If you're linking to an email address, simply highlight the email text, click Insert Link, and it will automatically link to that address. To hyperlink a heading or bookmark within the same document, click Insert Link and use the Suggestions dropdown to choose from available headings or bookmarks. This helps with navigation and is especially useful in longer documents. Hyperlinks in Google Docs are perfect for sharing resources, referencing sections, or making your content more interactive and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical Google Docs guides. Thanks for watching.